Today we're getting some exercise and having some fun with the help of our new pickleball set. I've never played pickleball before, but I had a blast and pickled up on it really quickly. The paddles really get the job done. This is the PowerNova Pro from Tenvina, and this kit comes shipped to your door, ready for you and a friend to play as well. There are 2 packs of paddles, and inside those, you have a user manual, a case for your paddle, a roll of extra grip, and then your paddle. The paddle looks nice and feels high quality. It has a honeycomb core and a nice matte textured surface to grip the ball and get some unique shots. I noticed that when we were playing, the ball would sometimes backspin and curve away. So I'm sure if you plan those shots, you could really get the upper hand. The grip on the paddle is extra tacky and holds in your hand well. It's sweat wicking and non-slip. And the case does a good job at protecting your paddle. But the best part about this pack is that it comes with a second paddle. Because this means I can bring a friend with me that's new to the sport as well, and they can play with little commitment. This is perfect for beginners like me. Again, this was our first time playing pickleball, but I think we had a good game. When you connect with the ball, it feels sturdy and powerful. It has a large sweet spot, which makes getting a good hit easy. The paddles felt nice to handle, and I got a few good shots in, but my friend was a natural, and I stood no chance. We did a best 2 out of 3. He won 2 games, and I won 1. But even though I lost, I had a blast, and the next morning, I woke up feeling that good kind of sore, knowing that I had a good workout on the previous day. I feel like if you wanted to get in shape, you could do this on the regular, and it would be a fun way to get some exercise. So if you're looking to get in shape, or just want to have some fun with a friend, this pickleball set might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go practice and get ready for our next match. See ya.